was Alford in the Alford Plea case. Have you ever wondered how a plea can allow someone to maintain their innocence while still accepting a guilty verdict? This concept comes from a real case involving a man named Henry Alford. In the landmark United States Supreme Court case North Carolina v. Alford in 1970, Alford faced serious charges of first-degree murder. The stakes were incredibly high, as he was looking at the possibility of the death penalty. Despite claiming he did not commit the crime, Alford made a strategic decision. He chose to plead guilty to second-degree murder. Why would someone do that? The answer lies in the risk of going to trial. If he lost, he could face a much harsher sentence. By taking the plea, he aimed to avoid that risk, even while maintaining his innocence. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that a defendant can enter a guilty plea while still asserting innocence. This ruling established what we now call the Alford Plea. Under this plea, a defendant does not admit to committing the crime but acknowledges that the prosecution has enough evidence to likely secure a conviction. This plea is significant in the realm of true crime and criminology. It highlights the complexities of the criminal justice system, especially when it comes to plea bargaining. Many defendants find themselves in situations where they feel pressured to accept a plea deal. They may be innocent but choose to plead guilty to avoid the uncertainty and potential harsh penalties of a trial. The Alford Plea raises important questions about the nature of guilt and the pressures defendants face in the legal system. It shows how justice can be complicated when someone claims factual innocence but concedes legal guilt for practical reasons. Henry Alford's case is a prime example of how the legal system operates. His decision led to the recognition of this unique plea type, which continues to be used in various courts across the United States. However, it is worth noting that some jurisdictions do not allow this type of plea. In summary, Henry Alford was the defendant whose case brought attention to the Alford Plea. This plea allows individuals to plead guilty while still asserting their innocence, provided there is strong evidence against them. It serves as a reminder of the difficult choices defendants often have to make in the face of the legal system.